That's what that was.
Water.
I'm here to learn. Got a message to see if I did good. That's how you win at life. I'm just reading the instructions over here. You know, call me crazy, but yeah, every once in a while it's good to poke your nose in the provided legal disclosures to see what you are and are not allowed to sue for, based on the implied warranties and non-implied warranties and whatnot. Let's see here. To start with, I should use the fixed base, not the plunge. I will be using. So this is the plunge. I don't think I ever showed you. So this is the plunge. That's why it's called the plunge, because it moves, and then you just set a stop over here, or where you want this thing to stop at, and then they'll plunge to the point to where the stop is. To start with, I don't think the plunge router is going to be the appropriate tool, so I'm going to start without the plunge. Let me see if I can back you up without tipping over. Let's try this. So far, so good. Let's see. We got a message. Let's see if I did good with that. Good. I did good. She said thanks. Okay, let's give her a heart. Here we go. That's how you win at life. She says thanks and you give her a heart. I don't know what it means. It's just I did good. Good. And we'll do this side. That looks very secure-ish. Oh, I gotta be careful. I want to, knock down my.
Water.
Alright. So now figure out which router bit's going to be the one to start with. Well, that's kind of disconcerting. Looks like the one I picked was already open, but I mean, you don't really buy new tools from Harbor Freight. Everything's used. Let's see here. Oh, that's cool. Actually, so it's got a little plexiglass thing, and then you slide it up like this. Yeah, that was ripped, but these actually look unused, so I guess I did all right. Phone's blown up. So you can see all the different profiles that you get, and a lot of them have these little guides here, which obviously don't do any cutting. So see if that's going to do the trick. You get these out without cutting yourself. Let's try it with gloves. Gloves are the solution to a surprising range of problems, and I highly recommend having some. So, now if I set this, I'm not sure if this is going to do much. We'll give it a go. Get my phone again, because I'm apparently popular. Brand new Harbor Freight Hercules router with a fixed base attachment. It also has a dust collection little cover here. That might be way off. It includes 1/4 and 1/2 inch collets. Pretty sure these are all 1/4 inch. Where would it say? Oh, on here. 1/4 inch shank. So I just gotta find the correct collet. And then I'll be in business. There's more in this box. I'm a terrible unboxer. I think you're supposed to empty out everything and show all the different shit. Oh, cool. Came with this extra stuff here. That's cool. In here is the collet that goes in there. loosen, you do counterclockwise, like so. Okay, not quite like so, because as you can see, maybe you can't see, but the whole thing in there is spinning, so there should be, oh, here it is. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go, that's a collet loosening. I didn't know what a collet was until today, by the way. I'm a genius, but that's beside. So it's finger loose. Oh, so it looks like I have to completely remove this collet. I thought they would, for some reason I thought they would sit in with each other, but that's clearly not how it works. I'm all about doing things a lazy, you know. Man, my phone is really blowing up tonight. No, my original thought seems to be correct, actually, because this does not want to come out at all. Yeah. Well, whatever. I mean, you live and learn. Now I can casually put that back in there. Place the bit in there. Okay. Do this the easy way while I flip off the camera by accident. Totally not intending to. It's just, you know, look, you're in my way. Haven't even checked the depth yet, but that's fine. We're learning. Keyword is learning here. So now I need to figure out how to adjust the depth and figure out what all these messages are about. So that's about the right point. I'll be back. Set the depth, put the cover back on. I'm not showing you any of that. So let's give it a go. I don't have ear pro on, but I think I'll be fine. Okay, already that's something I don't like. You hold it here, power button's there. Well, I mean, that's what I get for getting a cheaper one, so I'm not going to complain about it. I'm just going to go with it. So the problem is, I set the depth wrong. So I need to set the depth a bit further. Oh no. Okay, let me show you what I did. See what I did there? That's what that was the bolt hitting the freaking wood. All I can say is, I mean, you know, I'm here to learn. That's it, I'm here to learn.